So, you probably clicked on this video because you're trying to become the next Charli D'Amelio, or maybe you're just trying to figure out why your TikToks aren't getting over 100 views. Well, you're in luck because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 9 tips on how to get your TikToks pushed to the For You page. Now, before we get into anything, make sure you guys drop a like on this video because these tips are legitimate tactics that I use on my very own TikTok account. It's none of this BS, oh, be yourself type of YouTube videos that I see everywhere. These are legitimate facts and tips on how to grow your TikTok account. Additionally, subscribe to the channel if you're into TikTok related videos because I have been pumping out a ton of content as of recent regarding new trends and tutorials within the TikTok community. Without further ado, let's get into our first tip here, and that is using geolocation to your advantage. Now, you may or may not know this, but your TikTok account is heavily garnered to where you live. So for example, I live in Canada and a lot of the audience that I have on TikTok is from Canada. Actually, over 98% of my followers come from Canada. And if you look through all the analytics throughout my videos, almost all of the views come from Canada. And if you look on your very own TikTok account, you'll notice the exact same thing. Now, there's a reason for this. TikTok promotes your videos to people in the same country. You only start to see more countries pop up watching your videos as your TikTok account or video grows exponentially. So now that you know this information, how do you use it to your advantage? Well, for example, like I was saying, I'm from Canada, so I make Canadian related content. So Tim Hortons is a massive food chain within Canada. I've made a ton of videos within Tim Hortons using different trends and colliding the two together, and they've all performed super well. The reason is because of that geolocation. So whether you're from the United States, India, Canada, Mexico, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you know where you're from and use things in your surroundings to help promote your videos. Tip number 2 kind of goes along with tip number 1, and that is finding a niche audience. Finding that niche audience is crucial for your account. It is impossible to grow an account if you're uploading one video as a TikTok dance and the next one you're doing a cooking tutorial. It just never works at all. You can't be a gamer on TikTok but also be a dancer and a cooking channel. It just doesn't happen because there's too many colliding audiences. So you have to find that niche audience, and a niche could possibly be that geolocation. A niche could be Canadians. That could be your niche. However, I would try and find something even more specific than that. Let's say you're a gamer and you play Warzone. Make sure every single one of your videos is related to Warzone and absolutely nothing else. If you upload a cooking tutorial on your account that has mostly Warzone videos, this is going to screw up your algorithm because TikTok's going to be confused and it's going to be like, hey, originally I thought this account was for gaming and for Warzone, but now they're uploading cooking tutorials and it doesn't know who to send the video to, and it's going to get you shadow banned off the For You page. Now, tip number 3 is not to use reused footage in your TikTok. Now, you may have seen stolen TikToks in the past, but it's very hard to have a TikTok blow up if you're just reusing content. This could be content that's already on your very own TikTok page. Like, you could own this content. However, if it's already been posted, do not post it because it will not perform well. The TikTok algorithm is crazy good at catching re-uploaded videos and pictures. Additionally to this tip, you don't want to screen record someone's TikTok and then post a video reacting to it. You actually want to use the in-house editor's layout react option, which I'll show on screen on how you can do that. Sorry to interrupt, but this video is actually sponsored by coolrugs.ca. Use code SUMMER for 15% off all products throughout July and August. Cool Rugs provides the coolest custom designed rugs hand tufted to your liking, so make sure you check them out. I've personally bought them from them and they are the best. All right, back to the video. Now, tip number 4 is to try your best to record and edit within the TikTok app itself. It's no surprise that TikTok promotes videos that are recorded and edited in-app way more, and the reason for that is because TikTok does not want their users to be going to other apps to edit or record their videos. It just makes sense as to why they would promote only in-house content. So don't use any of these apps to edit your videos unless you absolutely have to, and there is just a special feature that you can't get on TikTok. Keep in mind, it's not impossible for your video to blow up if it's recorded outside of the TikTok app. However, it's not recommended. Tip number 5 is to use hashtags, but use them strategically. Now, it's been a proven point that adding hashtag FYP and hashtag For You page actually does absolutely nothing to your TikTok video. So stop adding those hashtags, they do nothing. The stats do not lie. However, though, adding hashtags to your videos can help immensely, especially it helps TikTok understand what kind of niche you're going for. So if you're trying to upload hockey videos within the TikTok app, you need to use hashtags like hashtag hockey, hashtag sport, hashtag puck, hashtag NHL, anything related to hockey. You got to make sure those hashtags are relatable, and make sure you add as many hashtags as possible. There's no cutoff as to what is too many hashtags. However, a little tip, and this is the outlier to this rule: if you see a hashtag pop up that's a recommended hashtag and it has a thumbs up or a fire emoji next to it, make sure you add it to your video, because this is a trending hashtag that is getting a ton of traction. But that is the outlier. That's the only hashtag that you can add that isn't related to your video. The rest, make sure the hashtags actually relate to the content that you're posting. Tip number 6 is to repeat all of your popular videos. And this may sound dumb, this may sound repetitive, but it works. An excellent example is this TikToker by the name of Sienna May, and it's actually kind of a bad time to put this video out because she just got canceled. However, her claim to fame was this squirrel TikTok video that she used to do, and she milked this thing so hard. This is what got her famous in the first place. And then obviously she had an amazing TikTok career after this, but this is what got her off the ground, because she used this squirrel trend that her followers found engaging, and she just kept running with it. She kept posting videos related to it, and all of them blew up. So if you have that one video that maybe gets a little more than the rest of yours, make sure you repeat whatever that video is and just put a little twist on it, and I'm sure it will get that same amount of traction. Now, tip number 7 is quantity over quality. And you may be wondering, what is this guy talking about? But hear me out. Obviously, your TikToks have to be engaging enough that people want to watch them. They have to be of a good quality standard. However, quantity is more important on TikTok. You want to upload as many TikToks as you can possibly pump out. TikTok is almost like gambling. Some of your videos that you spend so much work on might only get like 100 views and it sucks, and then you might put out a video that literally took 2 seconds and is not even that good quality and it gets like 1 million views. So it's all about just pumping out as much content as you possibly can, but making sure the content itself isn't horrible. Tip number 8, you've probably heard it before, and that's following trends. This is just the most obvious tip and I won't go over it too much, but if there is a trend that is going on, it's recent, for example, like the Adult Swim trend, do it. Do the trend. I'm guaranteeing you it will get more views than you normally do if you just follow the trend, see what people are doing, see all the recent effects that are blowing up, and just add it to your video. Even if you're like a hockey account, for example, I'm sure you could find a way to fit in the Adult Swim trend and collide it with hockey, and I can guarantee you it will get a ton of views. Now, the last tip we have here is to make sure there is an engagement factor within your TikTok videos. And what I mean by this is make sure there's something that people can comment when they watch their video, something that they can like, something that pulls their attention in. Now, this is probably why there's so many like controversial videos that just blow up on TikTok, and that's because people in the comment section are going crazy. They want to leave their opinion on this video. So let's say you make a video discussing the worst rappers of all time. That's a fantastic idea because so many people are going to have varying opinions on it and very strong opinions. This is why like a lot of political TikToks kind of blow up, because so many people are arguing in the comment section as to why they're right. Or if something really funny happens in the background of a video, everyone will go down into the comment section and comment like, oh, did you see that in the background? This is something that is engaging the users in to click on your video and make taps and spend longer on the app TikTok, and TikTok notices this and promotes your video even more. Well guys, that's going to conclude today's TikTok tips and tricks. I hope you guys did enjoy, and hopefully this can help boost your account to the views and followers that you deserve. If you wanted to keep up to date with all the latest and greatest TikTok trends, I highly recommend you do subscribe to the channel, as it would mean a ton to me. And also leave a like on the video for all this free information. I've seen some other YouTubers like making people pay for TikTok education, which I just thought was so ridiculous. I would never do that, but I think that's gonna do it for me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and see you later.